All right, back at you again. What we're working on today is a Cadillac Escalade 2008, 2009. We're going to change the alternator out. You got these two bolts that I already took out. One here, one here. Then in the back right here, there's a 10 millimeter for the positive battery wire. Let me get that out. Okay, I got the two wires out. Take a pry bar, lift on it from here. See, there you go. It's coming up in here. Okay, let me lift it out. Okay, this is the new alternator. Customer ordered it online. That's the part number. That's the name of the company. And there's the replacement. Let's install it. Okay, we got two bolts in. Screw them in. This one going. Okay. This one going. Okay. We got the plug in right there. Now in the back, we tightening up the positive battery cable wire, 10 millimeter. And these in the front are 15 millimeter. Let's put the boot back on the back. All right, I got that boot on. Boot cover right there. All right, next we're gonna do is the cam sensor. It's located right there. Let's go and take that out. All righty, down here, got that bracket. Got to take off the harmonic balancer to get to the other side of that bolt. So I'm going to have to come back for that. But today I do got the alternator on. Serpentine belt is back on. Sun is coming out. Alrighty. All right, finish on the Escalade. Alternators on. Complete. Running good. IE Automotive, over and out.